Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Excuse me.
Yes, please. Have a seat. What is your name?
My name is Rishika.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
What's the matter?
I have a headache.
Can you describe it a little?
I had a lot of work yesterday, so I did not sleep properly.
Okay, it's due to stress and lack of sleep. Don't worry, I am prescribing some pills. Take these pills for 2 days, get some rest and you will be alright.
I will follow your advice. How much shall I pay?
500 rupees. So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.